When it's time to give an old favorite a new look, it's important to remove any rust before painting. The smoother the surface, the better the paint adheres. First, gather your supplies. Make sure to work in a well-ventilated area. Use a wire brush and sandpaper to remove rust and chipping paint. Ensure the surface is smooth, clean, dull, and dry before spray painting. Using foil is an easy way to mask off the parts that you will not be spraying. Before starting to spray paint, shake the can well. Test spray on scrap wood or metal before tackling your project. Start by applying Krylon Fusion All-In-One Gloss White over the entire wagon. For uniform coverage, move the can back and forth across the project, overlapping each spray pattern and starting and stopping off the project. Once the first color is fully cured, use tape and paper or foil to mask off an accent stripe. Using Krylon Fusion All-In-One in satin black, spray light, even strokes to create your contrasting color. Once the paint is dry to the touch, carefully remove the tape and then allow the project to fully cure. Krylon helps restore your projects to make them like new. Visit Krylon.com for more information.